you want to help reduce muscle fatigue in your legs and feet? So in today's video, we're going to do a massage for our legs and for our feet to help release any stress or tension which is stored in those parts of our body. So hi, I'm Mike, your bilingual yoga guide. I help you do yoga in English and in Japanese. 皆さんこんにちは。バイリンガルガイドマイクです。今日のテーマは足をマッサージするです。Let's get ready and go onto your mat. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's begin. So extend your left leg out straight, right leg up and over. Make sure the ball of your foot is outside of your knee. And if it's uncomfortable here, you can place some cushions or pillows to help support your knee. And we're going to first start, we're going to pull our toes, pull them apart, and then backwards and forwards. Okay, so grab your big toe and your second toe, pull apart, backwards and forwards, backwards and forwards. Next two toes, so pull apart. You'll feel a good stretch in between your toes, and then backwards and forwards, backwards and forwards. Again, so your middle toe and your ring toe, pull apart, backwards and forwards, backwards and forwards. Your last two toes, so pull apart, backwards and forwards, backwards and forwards. And then next, with your right hand, support your foot, left hand, your big toe, and then just circle your toe. And then inhale, pull up and release. Next, your index toe or your pointing toe. Just do some circles and change direction. And then inhale, pull up and release. Next, your middle toe. Okay, so just try to make a big circle. With this hand, support your foot and change direction. And then inhale, pull your toe up and release. Next toe. Again, so just try to make nice big circles. And then change direction. And then inhale, pull up and release. And then your little toe. Again, make nice big circles, change direction. And then inhale, pull up. Okay. And then next, interlace your fingers and your toes. And then squeeze. So with your left hand, squeeze your toes, support your ankle, and then just rotate nice and big. Okay. And then change direction. So this just helps with your ankle mobility. And then gently stop. Extend your fingers with your opposite hand. Squeeze your toes. Squeeze your fingers, and you'll feel it you'll feel it on your toes. And then pull up. Nice. And then with your left leg, move out to the side, out the way. Right leg down to the floor. And we're going to massage the sole of our foot. Okay, so there are different ways you can massage. You can make a fist and use your knuckles against your foot. You can use one knuckle. You can use your thumbs. You can use the heel of your palm. So just massage the sole of your foot, whatever feels good for you. Just have to release any tension, any stress here. And just do what feels good for you. So if it feels nice to use a fist or an open palm, just have a play around and see what feels good for you. If it feels good using your thumbs, go for it. Okay, bring your legs slightly forwards. Next, we're going to massage the muscle on the inside of our leg by our shin bone. Okay. So you can use your thumbs, you can use an open palm, you can use your knuckles. And when massaging, if you're making a circular motion, try to go 1.5, okay? That is like the optimum, most efficient way to massage. Okay, so you're just massaging the muscle here along your shin. And then bring this leg up and we'll massage the outside of our shin, the outside of our leg. Okay, so again you can use it like this where your fingers go together, an open palm or a fist, just whatever feels good for you. Have a play around, have a see, and just do what feels nice and comfortable for you. And then next we'll massage our calf muscle. Again, you can squeeze together. You can make a fist and rub up and down, an open palm. Whatever feels good for you. Just find that nice comfortable place to massage. You can use 2 hands or just 1, whatever feels good. And then extend your leg out. We'll massage our thigh. So make 2 fists. And then rub your hands up and down. And then your leg, your thigh, will be like jelly on a plate, wobbling. So try to relax your muscle as much as you can. Okay? And then we'll massage the top here. So use an open palm. And then just rub and gently massage your thigh. Find a nice comfortable place. Okay. And then come to your knee. And just gently massage your knee here. And then bend the knee back up. And I'm just going to brush, stroke out our legs, bring it down to our feet, down to our toes and out. And then extend your right leg, left leg bend, up and over. Again, make sure the ball of, your ankle is outside of your knee. If you want to support your knee here with cushions, it's okay. And again, we're going to pull our toes apart, backwards and forwards, backwards and forwards. So get your big toe and your index toe, pull apart, and you should feel a very good stretch in between your toes, and then backwards and forwards, backwards and forwards. Your next 2 toes, your index toe and your middle toe, pull apart, backwards and forwards, backwards and forwards. Your next middle toe and your ring toe, pull apart, backwards and forwards, backwards and forwards. Your ring toe and little toe, or your pinky, pull apart, backwards and forwards, backwards and forwards. And then with your left hand, support your ankle. Sorry, not yet. Next, with your left hand, grab your foot, and then we're going to circle our toes. So try to make a big range of motion, and then change direction. And then inhale, pull up your next toe. And then change direction. And then inhale, pull up. And then your ring toe. So this just helps with the mobility in your toes and helps it so you can spread your toes, your toes nice and wide. And then change direction. And then inhale, pull up. Nice. Your ring toe. Okay. And then change direction. And just do what feels good for you. And inhale, pull up. And it's all about checking in with your body and how your body feels. You might notice maybe on your left side to your right side, there's a little difference, but that's no problem. Okay, and change direction. And inhale, pull up. Nice. And then next, we're going to support our ankle, interlace our fingers and toes. Sometimes you need to just give it a bit of help to get it in. And then with your hand, you're going to squeeze tight on your toes. With your left hand, support your ankle just above your ankle. And then rotate here. And then change direction. Okay, and then gently stop. Extend your fingers out. Your opposite hand, grab your fingers. Squeeze, 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 and pull up. Nice. It might feel a bit intense the first few times, but it will feel good after you do it. The more you do it, it will feel better. So right leg out the way, left leg down to the floor. So this right leg, you can bend it, keep it straight, whatever's good for you. And let's massage the sole of our foot. So just do what feels good for you. Remember, fists, one knuckle, open palm, thumbs. So just helping to release any stress, any tension in the soles of our feet. So, like we walk, like every day we're on our feet, and we don't always give much attention to our feet. So doing this massage can help relax, release any stress or tension, especially from a long day's hard work, maybe been on your feet all day. Okay. And then we're going to massage again the inside of our lower leg by our shin bone here. So you can do massage of 1.5, or you can use your knuckle, your open palm, whatever feels good for you. And just take to massage and release any tension, any stress. Okay, then bring your knee up. We'll massage the outside of our shin bone. So just do what feels good for you. Maybe open palm feels good. Maybe knuckles feels good. Maybe using your fingers feels good. Again, just have a play and see what feels best for you. And let's work on our calf muscle here. So you can massage like this, open palm, a knuckle, whatever feels good for you. And try to relax your muscles, so release any stress or any tension. Okay, and doing this massage will also help to increase the blood flow into your legs and just help your legs move and give them better flexibility, because you're warming up the muscles, which helps to release and relax them, which is good for when you're trying to stretch. Okay, then extend your leg out. Make two fists, and let's make our thighs like jelly. Okay, so you're rubbing your fist up and down. You can do like this or like this, whatever feels good for you. So your thighs should look like jelly, wobble wobble, wibble wobble. Okay, and then now with an open palm, you're going to rub the top of your thigh. You might find a nice bit which needs a good massage. You might not, it's okay. So it's all about you and what feels good. Okay, and then use two palms if you want to. And then the stroke, come down to your knee. Just rub your knee here. And then bend your knee. And then just stroke your legs. Here, bringing down to your feet and out to your toes. Okay, nice. And then come sit in a comfortable seated position. And there we are. Thank you so much for joining me. And don't forget to hit the like, follow and subscribe button and the little bell mark to keep you up to date with all the yoga hints, guides that I have. And if you want to subscribe to my emailing list, I'll put the details down below. 皆さん見てくれてありがとうございます。お疲れ様でした。Thank you for joining and see you in the next video. また今度ね。バイバイ。